Girl Loving Food on Chincoteague. Getting ready, going down next to Bill's for their big reveal for their dining. As you know, they were closed for a few weeks, remodeling. And yeah, they're right here on Main Street. You know, we all know where they are. But in case you're new to my channel and new to Chincoteague, so there's Sundial Books, the Community Health Center, Decoys, Decoys, Decoys. And then here's Bill's. So we're going to go in, point out some of the new features that they have. For those of you that don't know, this door, it is hard to pull. Oh wow, that was a lie. So they closed this door off, so it's now a pretty picture with a wall. And then you come in this way and there's the hostess stand. So they did away with that booth. The light fixture's still there, guys. They wouldn't get rid of that. They've added some new beautiful lamps. And hi Billy, how are you? The old hostess stand is now a booth. They added a couple more booths here, and then there's a big booth back there. And this hallway now is the entrance to the bathrooms. So I'm trying not to be disruptive while people are dining. So booths are still the same. They got new carpet. They got, like I said, the old light fixture. They've done some painting, and the wainscoting is gorgeous. And some great pictures along Chincoteague and Assateague. And look at that wall. That's why I waited for this. So you've got their wine display and then their wall. And it's absolutely gorgeous. It is so pretty in here. Yeah. So, and these light fixtures, the new ones are so cool. They got them big and little. So anyway, Girl Loving Food on Chincoteague. We're going to dine here in Bill's. I want to point this out to you right there. Bill's has their own coffee. So if you like the coffee here at Bill's, you can always pick up a pack to take home. So there's an extra bonus right there. Gosh, I love this wall. Wow, I am so impressed. That wall is gorgeous, absolutely stunning, and I love how they did the bottles of wine there. Everything you know, if you know Kevin and Steve, you know it's top-notch all the way, all the time. So I just took some pictures of the menu, but I will show you the menu. I'm going to order. So the menu hasn't. It's still the great favorites. It is, you know, their baskets, their burgers. Their burgers are amazing. Their crab cake sandwiches. One of my personal favorites is the shrimp and grits. And if you don't like, or if you want scallops, they will replace it with scallops too. So they've got their steaks. Yeah, you know, Bill's is always good for some amazing food here. And the improvements inside, and I don't want to say improvements because Bill's was always charming and beautiful, but oh my gosh, it's stunning in here. So you got that big booth over there now, like I said earlier. So stuffed mushrooms, can you hear the sizzle? I love stuffed mushrooms. So stuffed with their crab, and it is so good and very hot right now. This is the Surf and Turf burger. I've never had this one, and I did the Granny Smith coleslaw because this Granny Smith coleslaw is amazing. But the stuffed mushrooms were incredible. So now, yeah, that is the crab cake burger, and I don't even know how I'm going to open my mouth that wide. So I'll be back to let you know what I think. What's left of my burger, which will be taken for dinner tonight for work. That was amazing. That was probably the best surf and turf type burger I've ever had in my entire life. I don't know how I just ate even half of it. But dessert is next, and I hope it's ready because I love this one. So thick, so juicy for that burger. Make sure you have your napkin handy because it was very juicy, and I think I made a mess all over the table. But phenomenal. The Granny Smith coleslaw. I love that coleslaw. Lots of apple, cabbage, The dressing is really good. Not too sweet, not too vinegary, not too mayonnaisey, just perfect dressing. But anyway, they're getting busy in here, which I'm happy to see. And here comes my box because I need dinner. I need dinner tonight. And now dessert will be one of my favorites if it's ready. So I'll talk about that in a minute. How sweet. Ed, you're amazing. I love you guys. Bill. Yeah, Bill's Prime. Yeah, Kevin and Steve, you guys are amazing. But look at that. Oh my gosh. Their 6-layer chocolate decadent cake is amazing. So yeah, so incredible. That if you don't try this dessert, you're crazy, because it's the best. So I'm going to eat my dessert now. So the cake is amazing. Very romantic cake too, by the way, because we all know chocolate is sexy. So the other one of my favorite desserts here, of course, the bumbleberry pie is amazing, but the white chocolate coconut cream pie, I'm not a texture coconut lover, flavor, love it, but that coconut cream pie is amazing. White chocolate coconut cream pie, I think that's what it is. Phenomenal. But that chocolate decadent cake, oh, I'm going to be eating off of that piece for a week. That was just one piece of cake. So, Girl Loving Food on Chincoteague. Check out Bill's Prime when you come on your next visit to Chincoteague. If you're local, why not? They are sold out for this weekend now. I will let you know. Valentine's Day weekend booked solid. So, yeah, you definitely want to give them a call though. Make reservations, especially in the summertime. If not, you will be seated randomly. But reservations definitely recommended here because it's unbelievable. So my food was phenomenal. I love Bill's. The wait staff is phenomenal as my waitress is taking away my plate, but they really are. They really, everybody here, I've never had a bad time here. The food is incredible, always. Staff incredible, hostesses, everybody, Steve, Ed, and Kevin. You guys are the best. I love you guys. And we always have fun at your Christmas parties too. So anyway, Bill's Prime, right on Main Street. Can't miss it. 65 years celebrating this year. What an incredible journey you guys have had. And you will never be disappointed coming to Bill's. So, Girl Loving Food on Chincoteague. Highly recommend this place.